Today's trade is extremely infuriating. It's a pretty dang frustrating trade. I'm going to lose some money. You're going to get to laugh at me. It's okay. I was in the trade for like an hour and 15 minutes. Obviously, I'm not going to put all that in a YouTube video, so I did my best to cut it down to the important parts. And then at the end, we took more trades, so stick around to the end to see those. Hit like, do the magic trick of turning the red subscribe button gray, and let's get into the live action. You're not going to keep me 6 cents from getting in. Oh! Okay. That did get to 99. Well, it got to 96, and I hit short, and it took forever to get in. Whatever. I was sitting there being patient, and we still ended up getting filled at 373.81 when I won in 373.99. But that happens sometimes with market orders. Well, not with market orders, but on Thinkorswim, if it's moving fast like that, that just happens. It did push up to 96, so I hit the button. And then I got filled 15 cents lower. It's not really much I can do about that. Other than move to a direct access broker, but then you got to pay commissions, of course. Anyway, we're in short at 373.81. The fills on TD are man. Yeah, because it's not direct access. They're selling your order flow, so there is a lag. It usually doesn't matter, but, if you hit the button and you get a quick move like that, that can happen. Anyway, immediate topping tail, and we're immediately up $25. But of course, cover condition below the red line. SPY gap down and been very weak today. Gap down and been very weak today. Is TOS free? Yeah. Yep. You still got to pay the SEC FINRA fees, but which is about, right now, it should be about 46 cents a trade for me since I'm back to trading 50 shares. But there's no fees and no annual cost or monthly cost on Thinkorswim, no. All right, candle under candle, another nice topping tail. We're back up $20. Let's get the breakdown, shall we, SPY? You know you want to continue this weakness. You know you're going to continue all this weakness. You know you are. Stop postponing the inevitable. Just come down. Give me my freaking money. Give me my money. Yep, that's what we're talking about. Almost low of trade. Just about low of trade. Up $30. It actually touched low of trade. Up $30. Oh, we're deciding to double bottom here off this. It's not a real double bottom, but you know what I mean. Wow. Okay. SPY is it's volatile. It's volatile. Beautiful part about having objectively defined rules, you don't panic in the volatility, right? You do not panic in the volatility. I'm just sitting here knowing where I'm supposed to get out. Here you go. Okay, here you go. Low of move. We're up $33. Low of trade. We're in. The VIX is back over 30. Yep, VIX still very high. Vis-a-vis why day trading SPY is still working. As the VIX, when one day the VIX will calm down again. When that's going to be, no one knows. But, when the VIX calms down, we might have to step out to longer term trading, some swing trading, a lot more swing trading, maybe 5-minute charts. But VIX high, SPY volatile, day trade it like this, right? You can day trade it like this more, right? Am I recording? I am. Okay, good. Come on. Below the red line, we cover. Yay, Trey. Hey, no reason to celebrate yet. We ain't out of this trade yet, are we? But I know where I'm supposed to get out, right? It's not like, I'm not sitting here. You notice how you see so many traders sit and oh man, should I exit here? It's breaking down. Should I exit here? Should I exit here? It's no, you gotta try to stop thinking like that. You gotta damn well know where you're supposed to get out. There's no should I? No, I mean, I know where I'm supposed to get out, and that's what I'm gonna do. Trey can have issues with premature celebration. Relax, Andy, relax. This is on YouTube now, remember? YouTubers are seeing you all now. Be nice. Relax. Easy. I'm very surprised SPY just isn't continuing harder after all this wreckage. I mean, I guess to be fair, after all this wreckage, it needs a little reset, right? I guess it's not super surprising to see a little reset maybe before the next leg down. All we need this to not do is start legging up on us. It's what we need this to not do. I'm starting to get itchy fingers to want to just cover, but I made that mistake of covering early yesterday, right? But I am starting to get itchy fingers. Like, I don't like it holding here. I'm starting to not like the eye test as much. Like, this is starting to look like maybe it does want to hold and give some bigger sustained bounce to it, but I made the damn mistake yesterday of covering too early. What do? What do we do when we make mistakes? We learn from them. You're going to make mistakes. It's going to happen. It's inevitable, but we don't repeat them, right? Learn and do not repeat them. That's what we do. Now watch, this will be the time it bounces and everyone's going to go, oh, you should have covered. It's like, no, I shouldn't have. No, I shouldn't have, though. Like, it doesn't matter. Remember, I can't control the result of the trade. I can't make SPY go up or down here. It's not like I'm hands off right now. All I can do is get out where I'm supposed to. So I've got to do that, right? That's what I've got to do. And it immediately spikes. Yep. Why did I have a feeling? Why did I have a feeling that was going to happen? Like, as soon as I say I feel like I want to exit here, it's going to spike. Bit of a move with volume here. Yeah, I mean, SPY needs this, right? Stocks don't go straight down. Just like the stocks don't go straight up or straight down. I was hoping it was just going to get like a reset period. I mean, this could still just be part of the reset period, this bounce before the next rollover. But if the RSI gets above 70, we'll get stopped out. If it doesn't, we're still waiting for it to get below the red line. This is now going to be a long trade. I mean, I guess it was already kind of a long trade even before this took off, but $4 down, almost back to break even. No panic when we were down 60. No panic. Come on, let me out of the trade. Yes. 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 Close. 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 I will just cover below the red line. If you bounce here, I'm going to be pissed. No, if you bounce here, I'm going to be upset. I'm trying to not break the rule of covering too early, but it's literally 3 cents away. Like, should I really give a shit? Should I really care? It's 3 cents away. Should I really care? Like, the risk reward here is really not worth it. Like, what? I can make an extra 5 cents, or I could hold this trade and it could run against me 2 points. Like, I think I should have just covered there. The risk reward's not worth it. What, I can make maybe an extra $5 in this trade, or it runs and I end up still losing 100. I mean, it's not that I'm wrong. Like, I did do the right thing by not covering here. Like, the system didn't cover. The system's still in this trade with me too. But it's like, I fucking said it. I said the risk reward's not here. The risk reward's not here. What, I can maybe make $5 more if it comes below the red line? Or this is gonna happen. Ah, fucking no. Stupid video I made yesterday. I would have just covered there. I mean, it's what I did yesterday. Yesterday I did that, right? Yesterday I was like, okay, it's close enough to the red line, I'm just going to cover. And then it broke down, and I was like, oh man, I shouldn't have covered. But like, maybe yes, I should have, because things like this can happen. Like, the risk reward just isn't there when you're this close. I knew this was going to happen. Okay, here we go. Yeah, here comes the, oh, I knew this was going to happen. Shut the fuck up, dude. I'm not going to sit here and even fucking listen to that. Oh, you're losing money. I knew. Dude, you should have just covered. Shut up, dude. I fucking hate that shit, dude. I wasn't supposed to get out here. I did literally do the right thing by not getting out here. It didn't break the red line. I wasn't supposed to get out. I did literally do the right thing. I'm not going to read your paragraph on how I'm wrong because the stock rallied. Like, oh, the stock went up. You obviously should have covered. Like, what's your hit rate? I closed my trader view. Hold on. 71% win. This is only on 35. Well, this is actually, I think this isn't splitting my trades. I've taken more than 35 trades, I think. But I stopped like splitting my trades in TraderView because it was getting annoying. But I mean, here's my statistics since I've started trading this strategy. Since I started implementing the EMA into the strategy. 74% win rate. 71%, sorry, 71.4% win rate. Yeah. But yeah, bro, this doesn't matter, right? This doesn't matter. Because I lose one trade, I should change the strategy, right? Yeah. The only reason I'm pissed about this is because I was 3 cents away from covering. 3 cents. I was like 3 pennies away from covering. I could have just got out break even. Now I'm down $100. What do I know? I'm just a short interest retail expert. Fucking Paul, bro. I love you, Paul, but I'm not going to take that shit. That's just the worst take in the stock market. And everybody, like all beginner traders have it. And it's super annoying. If you lose money, you did something wrong. It's just such a bad take. It's such a bad take. And I know I was mean. I mean, I was already in a bad mood. I was probably meaner than I should have been. But I'm trying so hard to curb that mindset away from people. It's like, it's just such a bad fucking mindset. And it's like how all beginners think. I try so hard. That was terrifying. Hello.
I was trying not to interrupt, but I'm about to.
I looked at my camera and saw someone behind me. I have to fucking go, man. I can't keep sitting here. My wife really wants to go to the dump. You know what? I'm going to end stream. I will show the YouTube video. You guys on YouTube, I'll show you where I exit via my phone, but I've got to go. It's freaking 11:30. I usually ended stream an hour ago, but I've been in this trade now for an hour and 10 minutes, and I need to go to the dump. It's an errand I have to run, so I am going to end stream. So since you all did not get a chance to see the end of that trade, I had to rush out, and the wife stepped in. She told me I needed to go to the dump because she wanted to take the truck to Target, so I had to go run to the dump, and I sat for way too long after. There was a lot of cuts in the trade, especially the last one, but at the end of the day, I got short. We thought about covering here, but we didn't, as we're not supposed to. It got extremely close, 3 pennies away from getting us out here, which would have made the trade break even, but it didn't, so we're not supposed to get out. Whatever. You can let me know your thoughts on that in the comment section down below. And ended up running up against us where we got stopped out when the RSI got over 70 at 377.7. Whatever. SPY decided it's going to have itself a day. It's been really weak. It opened extremely weak. We shorted the bounce. All of a sudden, it decided it's going to have itself a day. It was green at one point today. It came up and closed this gap, which is just wild. Anyway, we ended up taking, so that first trade, I was down $200. Not fun, not great, but it happens. And now, as you can see, we are down 95. So a really nice recovery on, once again, just 2 more trades. So yesterday, we traded 150 shares. We made like $90. Today, we traded 150 shares. We're down $95. So pretty much just going to give up the gains from yesterday, which after the start we had is a pretty good kind of comeback. So ended up getting long here at 379.11, out at 379.40. I actually don't know. I need to study my long a little bit better. You're going to say, well, Trey, this didn't get above the green. You sold this too early. Yes, but so did the algorithm. The algo sold this long here. That's why I did. I just got out where I was supposed to according to the back test. I need to study that a little bit. I'm not 100% sure why it got out here instead of waiting for the green. I need to go look at my code and tweak that. But when I saw my algo get out, I just got out where I was supposed to. And then here we got a long at 378.64. This just happened about 10 minutes ago. And we got out at 380.33. So you can see here, obviously SPY strong, grinding up, broke down above the 15 EMA, but 10 cents below the red line. We get long, breaks above the green line. We get out, just a beautiful entrance. And a beautiful 33 is not quite the top, but it's right here. We entered here, exited here. Just a really, really, really sick trade. Straight up, bought the dip and went straight up after that. And we sold nearly the top before it rolled back over. A really, really nice trade there as well. And once again, to get the day to only being down $90. Yes, it's still red, but it's not that bad considering how it started. It's a nice recovery. Now we're just giving up the gains that we made yesterday, which I'm not celebrating that, but it's a lot better than it was when the day started, and it could have easily gotten worse because, as you all probably know, the market doesn't care if you're already red. It's not going to be nice to you and all make your next trade green. When I entered these trades, I knew there was a risk of me going even more red past $200, which, while scared me a little bit, I still took the damn trades because I'm supposed to, took them like I was supposed to, right? And they worked out, and now we're back to double-digit red, which is not too shabby. So, hopefully you enjoy the video. Hopefully you enjoy the transparency. Hit the like button if you do. It takes you half a second, and it really does help. Hit the red subscribe button if it's red. And with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sign out of this video. I saluted too early. I will catch you all in the next one.